guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we still have some deals and coupons that are still valid. Always scan the items you're picking up with your phone to see what CRTs and coupons you have that will make it cheaper. And if you need a copy of all the deals I shared in this video, check the description box for a link to a Google Doc. That way you can screenshot to help you in the store. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any CVS brand bandages or first aid itch relief. Pick up 2 20-count bandages priced at $4.99 each and both will total $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and you get 5 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The Peach Slice Acne Care is on the deal of spend 10 get 5 back and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 30-count acne patch priced at $4.99 each. These 2 will total $9.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay the $9.98 and you get 5 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The second option is to pick up the Dark Spot Micro Darts priced at $9.99 and which is also within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay $9.99 and you get 5 back, making it $4.99. The next acne care deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on Neutrogena acne patches 24 to 30 counts. Pick up the 30-count Neutrogena Stubborn Acne patch priced at $11.29. Use a $3.50 off digital coupon and you pay $7.79, get 5 back, making it $2.79. Dial hand soap is priced at $3.59 and is part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.18. Pay the $7.18 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents back, limit of 1. That will end up making them $3.93 or $1.96 each. The Nerd Comic Clusters are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.49 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.75. These 2 will total $8.24. Pay the $8.24 and you get 2 back, making them $6.24 or $3.12 each. Oral-B Floss Picks are priced at $6.79 and they are part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.58. Use a $2 off Oral-B digital coupon and another $2 coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $9.58, get 4 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on select Oral-B toothbrush or Crest toothpaste. Pick up 1 Oral-B toothbrush on sale for $3.99 and 1 Crest toothpaste on sale for $3.99. The 2 will total $7.98. Use a $2 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste and another $2 digital coupon for the toothbrush. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $3.98. Get 4 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on the Crest toothpaste. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, these 2 will end up free and $2.02 moneymaker. The next deal I have is on Hello toothpaste. They are on sale for $5.99 and when you buy 2, you get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $11.98. Use a 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 5 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. Colgate Total Toothpaste is on sale for $3.99 and is part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.98, get 4 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is on the Carefree liners. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get 2 back. Pick up 2 49-count liners priced at $4.59. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.30. These 2 will total $6.89. Pay the $6.89 and you get 2 back, making them $4.89 or $2.45 each. My next deal is on Nivea Shave Gel. They are priced at $6.89 and they are part of buy 2 get 7 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.78. Pay the $13.78 and you get 7 back. We had an Ibotta rebate for $1.25 back on each, limit of 2. Mine is already counting down. I don't know if you still have it. If you can submit this receipt, you get $2.50 back, making them $4.28 or $2.14 each. But if you don't have the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing $6.78 or $3.39 each. There are some Swiffer products on sale for $10.99 this week. They are not giving back any extra care box. You can pick up two for a total of $21.98. Use a 10 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.98, making it just $5.99. The 20-ounce Palmolive dish soap is on sale for buy one get one half off and is part of buy two get three back. Pick up two priced at $4.49, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.25. The two will total $6.74. Pay the $6.74 and you get three back, making them $3.74 or $1.87 each. Next to the Palmolive is the 52-ounce Ajax dish liquid on sale for $3.99. And it's not giving back any extra care box. I just wanted to mention it in case anybody needs it. And the next item I found that is on sale is the 9-count Cascade packs. It's on sale for $5.99 and you can use a $1 coupon from Coupon24 app, making it $4.99. Total Home trash bags are on sale for buy one get one free and it's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up two boxes priced at $11.89 each. With the buy one get one free, you're paying for just one. Most of the old accounts always have like 2 of 10 Total Home CRT or 4 of 20 CRT. My account always get the 2 of 10. Using the 2 of 10 CRT, you pay $9.89 and that will make each box $4.95. Febreze bathroom air freshener is on sale for 20% off, no extra care box back, and it's originally priced at $4.39. Pick up two, and with the 20% off, the new price will be $3.51. The two will total $7.02. Use the $3.50 off digital coupon and you pay $3.58, making each one just $1.76. Garnier Fruity shampoos and conditioners are on sale for $4.49 and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two leave-in conditioners. The two will total $8.98. Use a 3 of 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 3 back, making them $2.98, $1.49 each. My next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners. They are on sale for 2 for $11 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 and use a 2 of 2 extra care coupon. You pay $9, get 2 back, making them $7 or $3.50 each. The Maille Rosemary Mint hair care products are on sale for 2 for $20 and when you buy 2, you get $7 back. Pick up 2 leave-in conditioners, use a $3 digital coupon and you pay $17, get 7 back, making them $10 or $5 each. Huggies back pull-ups are on sale for 2 for $22 and they are part of spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up 2. Use a 3 of 2 digital coupon and you pay $19, get 5 back, making them $14 or $7 each. The next deal I have is spend 25 get $8 back. This deal is a limit of 1 per account per week, but I have few options for you. Pick whichever one that you like best. The first option I have is to pick up 2 Olay Super Serum Body Wash on sale for $13.99 each. The two will total $27.98. Use a 7 of 2 digital coupon and you pay $20.98, get 8 back. That will make them $12.98 or $6.49 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Charmin 9 Mega XL Bath Tissue on sale for $19.99 and a Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. These two will total $25.98. Use a $2 digital coupon for the Charmin and a $1 digital coupon for the Dawn. The 2 coupons will take off $3 and you pay $22.98, get 8 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. The third option I have is to pick up 1 Gain dryer sheet on sale for $12.99 and 1 Gain detergent on sale for $12.99. The two will total $25.98. Use a $2 coupon for the Gain detergent and a $2 digital coupon for the Gain dryer sheets. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $21.98, get 8 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. This deal I have is on Persil detergent. It's on sale for $13.99 and when you buy 1, you get 3 back. Pick up 1, pay $13.99 and you get 3 back, making it $10.99. My next deal is spend 10 get 4 back on Sally Hansen Cosmetics or Beauty Tool. Pick up one nail polish priced at $9.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay the $9.99 and you get 4 back, making it $5.99. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.